I grew up in Texas, and I grew up economically disadvantaged. So dental treatment was not something that I got continuously. So when I moved here and my economic situation changed, I wanted to get some cosmetic dental done. Prior to this work being done, I actually had a gap right here, and there were some problems on the bottom layer as well. And I just wasn't happy with my smile. The gap I thought was not good. I was having some problems on the side as well. Dr. Varipapa actually showed me several plans that he thought was best for me. He also talked about my bite and how the bite was causing problems, because I had some additional dental work done at other dentists. He said, they're not looking at your bite and they're not lining your bite up right. And I said to myself, wow, I never heard that. That lets me know he really knows his trade. So he lined the bite up, he showed me a couple plans, and we both picked one together. So it wasn't a, this is what we're gonna do. It was a really, really good thought out plan, well thought out plan. What you can probably expect if you go through a full mouth makeover is that you're going to lose almost all your top and bottoms. After he takes the pictures, he shows it on the computer. This is how you're going to look. And the model that he makes, he holds it right up to your face and says, this is what it's gonna look like. You get to pick out the color of the teeth you want to try to match your skin. He was very helpful at that. So it's a full process of making your old teeth go away and bringing your new teeth forward, and you get to watch that step by step on the computer. As soon as the treatment was finished, I walked out the door and I got in my car, and the first thing I did was look in the rearview mirror and gave myself a big smile, and it was great. I knew right then everything had changed. My confidence had changed. I felt good. I wasn't the same person that I was when I walked in that day. So that really felt good, and I was excited when I walked out the door because Dr. Varipapa had already showed me the mirror, but I was more excited when I got in the car and looked in the rearview mirror, and I knew I was out in the world, and my confidence was just beaming, and it still is.